joking. Fashion design? What does it mean?
You can talk.
Yeah, we can talk.
Here's the other. Here's one of the bedrooms. And then the other one's up there. And here's this bedroom. Huh?
You gotta let us know where this stuff goes.
Okay. No, Pixie. Stay in there.
Nice. This is nice, guys.
Yeah, I like it.
Is this a new home? Is it just recently
No,
built?
it's not, but I guess they fixed it up a lot. Yeah, it's nice out here. Front porch.
And like the
Very
sun's gonna
cool.
be over there too, I think, right?
Very nice.
When the sun comes up, so you have shade.